So first of all, you have to take a flower. Again, I am doing it for the next flower so you can see it and you will be more clear now. So first of all, you have to take a flower. Sorry, I am taking a rose. You have to turn it down so you can see this part, green colored part. This is called calyx. So you have to slowly remove the calyx from the flower. Okay, I'm first taking out these petals or corolla. Okay, now you can see I have shorted all the petals out and we have only this part now. So in this part you can see the down part is called calyx and this long filament, these are the long, the whole part is called male androecium or the male part of a flower, and in between there is a female part of a flower. Okay, so we have already got our petals. Now slowly I will remove all the androecium from the flower. You can see the anther. Okay, I will bring it near to you. So look at what is the color of anther here. So it is black in color and the filament are like thread in shape. So I will be removing these filaments also now. Okay, these are very delicate, so you can remove and keep it at side. Now we have separated our filament and anther. So all the filament and anther are easily separated here. Okay, now you can see this flower now do not have any kind of black dot like this, like back dot like this, small dots. Now it have a pinkish kind of dots here. So if you can see, look, I will be zooming now. Okay, this camera is getting blurred. Okay, now you can see this pinkish part of a flower, pinkish part which is at the top. Yes, now you can see this pink one are called stigma, style and ovary. The one which is very round is called stigma, and then we will be again cutting it and looking at what is inside. But first for now we will be taking it and then keeping it here, because we have to sew all parts of flower, the 4 parts of flower. So first here was calyx, then corolla, then androecium, and this is androecium. In androecium you can label this part 2 parts. So this is anther and this is filament. Yes, I know the video is going very long, but I have to finish this. Okay, now I will be separating the calyx. No, this is very, you can just keep it like this. Okay, we have separated the calyx, corolla, androecium, and now we have the work for gynoecium. And androecium is male part, gynoecium is a female part. Okay, now in the gynoecium, actually this was to be done in the higher classes. We used to do it with the blade. Okay, this was, you can say what is this. So the upper one is called anther and this is filament and this is male reproductive part. Okay, in higher classes you have to do it with the blade, but it is just for information I am teaching you here. So I am just doing it with the hand. Okay, now we will be cutting it, but you have to do it slowly because there are ovary inside. And the ovary is situated kind of down here inside. So you can see how a lot of stigma style ovary. So you can see a bulging structure. Wait. Okay, now you can see the bulging structure. These are very small and delicate. Okay, now you can even touch and feel this kind of bulging structure here at the down side. So you can simply take this whole part, you can remove these parts. Okay, in this you can see the part at the top will be very sticky if I remove a single of them. These are very delicate, so I will be taking only one now to show you. Okay, okay, I have separated this part. Okay, now showing you this in a zoom. Wait a second, my camera is not focusing in this. I think I have to keep it a little afar. Okay, now the camera is taking it. So in this you can see the one at the bulging at the top. So this red part I will be keeping here straight. So this is called stigma, and then style, and the ovary. Okay, have you got? You can also take a screenshot now, so your activity will be same to do. So hope you do your best. Thank you.